The 2013 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, MP3 player, CD player, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks, passenger airbag on-off switch, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, brake assist. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.